Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm on the clock. I'm watering the lawn. This is a Sunday morning and I water sections for a certain amount of time, so I have enough time to get an episode in. But if my alarm goes off on my phone, then I gotta stop and go move the sprinklers. Never put in a automated lawn system at my house, just never got around to it. And since it never was put in when we bought the house, it wasn't there. I've always been like, well, don't need it. So when we've had weather during the summer that we get rain, there have been some summers I've never needed to water the lawn. It just hasn't been done. This summer has been bad. We've just not had any luck in getting rain. And like we'll have storms that go through our area and it just seems to completely always miss our section. Like we'll even have in my neighborhood, we'll have like barely a sprinkling. And if you go like just 2 or 3 miles north, they got poured on. It's like, whatever. Sometimes you just can't win. Anyway, let's get back to this update of this exceptional statistics thing. So we'll do a README next. We want to make that a little bit more informative. So let's add an existing item because I know we do have, those are solution items. That's fine. We can put all those in there. That's fine. Okay. So the README is pretty simple. What we're going to do is go to rocks because that's my go-to. And let's edit that and just grab everything in here. We'll make this exceptional statistics. Wait, actually, let's do that because I want to grab IE empty catch blocks. Okay. So install the exceptional statistics tool from NuGet. Now this one we're gonna have to put a to-do because we don't have it actually start, like we don't know exactly what we're gonna pass in on arguments yet. So let's actually not do that. Tool done at 7. And that's all we need. To do finish, because again, do we have additional documentation? No, we really don't. There. Okay, so better. We still need to fill in some holes there, but it's better. That's the next thing on the list. We can close that. A changelog. So, of course. We could come to here, go exceptional, come on. Exceptional statistics. And actually we want to go to, I should have just done that here, but that's okay. Source. Oh, it's in here. Right. Right? Is it? Where do I have the changelog? Ah, there, okay. I know I had it somewhere. So we'll add that here. And now what I want to do is get rid of all that because that's no longer a thing. And this will be 1. So what do I want to actually do here? This is added. Added a number of project related files, e.g. this changelog. Okay, so, but there is something if I go to rocks. Speaking of rocks, one of the issues I wanted to do here is sections of changelog. Okay, this is what I wanted. So I thought they had something in here that you said you could put in the different types of sections. Where did I see? This is where I should have. I don't even have a link in this, do I? No, I don't. Those are the different kinds of sections. I thought that was something you wanted to actually put in your changelog file, but I guess not. So never mind. So what would we actually be putting though in this changelog? Added solution parsing. Yeah, I think that's fine. We could also say created. Okay, that's good enough for now. Added a changelog. Okay, what's next on the agenda? Create a NuGet package on build. Well, I know where I do that. Actually, editor config. That's a tool that I've actually had released. Yeah, we want to do this kind of stuff. All that. And some other things. Okay, so package license file, which means we're going to need to do this. Nope. Exception. And no, that's wrong. we don't do that. License is there. Okay. Package project file. URL requires doesn't. Package version is going to be that. Package tool. Repository is that. Okay. We could pack the README, I think, too, right? Item group, none. We want to remove the... We do? Fine. I don't know why. But I'll just do that. And that's that. Okay. Why do we have a version JSON here? Doesn't make any sense right now. Okay. Let's go back to rocks and look at our... Because again, this is a tool, not a thing, but I do like having continuous integration builds. We have generate package and build. Package icon. We don't have a package icon, which I know what I could do for a package icon. We'll come back to that. Package ID. Do we have that? No, we don't. Grab that. Yes, we want a package README file. We absolutely do. And then we need to put in the README file. So, right? Yes. And that is, wait, do I have to go up 2? Yes, because we're source. So these are /./ and then this, nope. Okay, got that. Just putting all the files in there. Repository type, sure, why not? And yeah, this one we could say package version is just that. Package tags, yep, let's grab that one. And let's put in here exceptions. Okay. And I think that's, oh, and except we do need a icon. That's a moral imperative. So, oh, package release notes. Yeah, that would be good. So, release. This would be that blah main. We have a changelog there. Yep. Perfect. All right. A little bit better. I don't know if you really want to have a simple package format because that's good for libraries so that you can set a tool is just you run it. So We could put it in. I mean, what's the worst thing that could happen? Lots of things. We don't need a documentation file because there's no APIs that you're calling. And I'll look up the package tool later and see if symbol package format makes sense or not. And include symbols. Okay, what happens if we build this now? Because sometimes if you don't have the right files in the right spots, this will bark at you when you do this. Well, it succeeded. Still is this odd end unit error, but I don't know. So, okay. Do you need to reference that anymore? We do this, and yeah, we do end unit analyzers. Yes, we do. Yeah, those are all there. And then if I look at our packages props, because we have so many, and what do we have here? I need 313, 313, 361, and 450. Yeah. I don't know. Don't know what's going on there. Did we actually make a package? Are we in release? No. Didn't seem to make a package. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, first of all, what are we building in? Are we in? We're in debug. Okay, so that makes sense. Well, it makes sense in that I now know where I'm looking. Core P. Yeah, I don't see a package like anywhere. I generate package on build. Package license use cannot be used in conjunction with the package license file. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, I gotta take that out. Okay, well, at least it's trying. And now what do we see? Bin, debug. Hey! Hey! So we got that going for us. We have a package file. All right. All right. You get package file on build. Creating a NuGet package file. Awesome. Let's go and raw string literal all the things, because I know I can do it here. I really wish that this would. Oh yes, it will. Oh please, document. I don't care if I have to like format everything. I don't know why it doesn't like format this correctly. That does bother me a little bit, because then you get this, and you have that, and now it's barking because reasons. I don't know why. See, and then it does it like. It's just annoying as all get out. You gonna do that one? No, of course you wouldn't. Okay. It's almost like it's not worth it. You know what I mean? Like you get this weird stuff going on, and it's like it's almost not worth using it, because, and then it's still going to be like, come on, give me the red. Give me the red. You know what you want to do that. Oh, you did it this time. Okay, well, I mean, I have that going for me. So if I just have to do that and then indent, I mean, it's better than nothing. It's better than me having to do all of it myself. I can sort of live with it, but man, if somebody who knows who wrote this refactoring, it kind of sucks. It needs to be a little bit more robust-ish, for lack of a better term. Because it's almost like I might as well just do it myself by hand. Okay, so if we do that, and then let's run all tests. And of course they pass. Why wouldn't they pass? Of course they'll pass. I don't have, do I actually say here, run tests in parallel, and I want to grab from rocks, of course. And then where is the shared file? Okay, so I'll come back up here. Exceptional statistics, source, tests, boom, there. Because that will say, please parallelize all the things. Not that we really needed it in this one, but hey, the more parallelization, to say that fast 5 times, the better. Okay, I don't think we have any cases in here where we do stuff with any like, yeah, remember when I wrote this, I'm like, take a screenshot, folks, boys and girls, because this is one of the few times I've ever used a region. I pretty much despise regions, but in this one case, I kind of went, well, it kind of makes sense. So, and program we don't care about, I don't think. I don't think there's really anything. Nope. So we can say raw string literal all things. All right. Okay, so we're at a good time where I'm going to have to go and remove things. So I'll do that, and I'll come back and I'll try to hit these and see if I can actually. The relatively harder thing is figuring out what I want to pass in on the command line. So I'm gonna have to look up system command line because I don't know if I want to do the whole dragon fruit thing here. Excuse me. But I do need a way to like to say either pass in a -- sln, and then you give me the location of the solution file, and that means I'm going to use the workspaces, or you do -- dir, and then you pass in the directory, and then I just do what I'm currently doing and recursively descent. Next episode. Thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.